Alrighty, YouTubers, after a quick train change of scenery, here we have Southern 3170 leading the Caboose excursion train here in Spencer. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. He's paired with the 2601. Looks like we got a Norfolk Southern train somehow. Yes, that ex-Southern horn lives on in 2016. Looks like a Norfolk Southern train. Yeah, it was a Dash 9, an SD40-2 and some Dash 9s leading a grain train. See, there he goes. So here we have the 3170 running the old way, running Long Hood. Really hoping to blow the horn for these rail fanners out here today. Yes, you finally get to relive the days of the old Southern today. This is legit. You do not see this every day, people. You just do not. And there go the two tuxedos. GP30s in slot number 2. Well, there goes the Caboose train. I've seen it plenty of times today, but finally got to see it going around the bend. Alrighty. There she goes.